Hello, Mirza. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I can.
Okay. Okay. So here you can see the pictorial projection. Pictorial means this is a 3D projection. Okay. Of point P. You can see a point P is in first quadrant. Can you see? Are you able to see that? Point P is in first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. This is the first quadrant. This point is P. Okay, from this direction you will get the front view. Front view on which plane? Yesterday I have explained. Front view on which plane?
The mm, vertical plane.
Vertical plane. So here you can see the front view. 1 minute, 1 minute. So, here the front view of point P is on the vertical plane VP. Okay, are you able to see that P dash on the vertical plane VP?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Then the top view, this is the top view direction. You will get the top view on which plane?
Horizontal plane.
Horizontal plane. Okay, so you can see the top view of point P on the horizontal plane, small p. Okay, you can see the small p on the horizontal plane. Then the next step is you have to rotate the horizontal plane 90 degree in the clockwise direction such that you will get your final answer. So this is the XY line. Then draw the projector line and mark P dash. P dash is the front view and mark P. P is the top view. So this is your answer. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then okay, write the yesterday we have completed 3 questions. Am I correct? Am I right? Yeah. Write the next question. Draw the projection of point B. Draw the projection of point B, which is 15 millimeter, 15 millimeter below HP and 35 millimeter in front of VP. Draw the projection of point B, 15 millimeter, 15 millimeter below HP and 35 millimeter in front of VP. First, you have to identify which quadrant is this. Any idea?
Sir, fourth.
Why? Why it is fourth quadrant?
Sir, because it's below HP and in front of VP. So it comes in the
Correct.
fourth quadrant.
Yeah, correct. Right. Okay. So this is the quadrant. So this is the horizontal plane and this is the vertical plane. Okay. So the point B is 15 millimeter below. Below HP means either the point will be in third quadrant or the point will be in fourth quadrant. Correct? Clear?
Yes, sir.
But here the point B is 35 millimeter in front of VP. In front of VP means the point B is in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Okay, so I will locate. So I will mark the point B here in the fourth quadrant. So I will mark point B here. What about this distance? What about this distance below HP? Below HP?
Uh, it's 15 mm.
15, 1, 5. So this distance is 15 millimeter below HP. And this distance in front of VP, this distance is
35.
35 millimeter. Okay. Then you have to draw the front view and top view. So this is the front view direction. This is the front view direction. So when you look from this direction, this point, you will get the image of B on this plane, this vertical plane. That point is called B dash. That is the front view. And that front view is this much distance. What about this distance? This much distance below XY line. This distance is
15.
15 millimeter. Okay, so this distance is 15 millimeter. So the front view B dash will be 15 millimeter below XY line. Then this is the top view direction. This is the top view direction. So when you look from this side, you will get the image of B. You will get the image of B on the horizontal plane. This is the small b. This B is the top view of the capital B. And this distance is 35. 35. Okay. Then the next step is you have to rotate the horizontal plane 90° in the clockwise direction. You have to rotate the horizontal plane 90° in the clockwise direction. So what happens? The top view will be below XY line. The top view will be below XY line. Okay. So next we will draw the final answer. So you have to draw the uh, so I will draw here, draw the XY line like this, draw XY line. Okay. Then you have to draw the front view, mark the front view here below XY line. This is B dash, and this distance is 15, 1, 5. Okay. And then you rotate the horizontal plane 90° in the clockwise direction. So what happens? The top view will be below XY line and the top view will be 35 millimeter below XY line. So you have to extend this line such that this distance is 35 millimeter. This distance is 35 millimeter. This distance is 35 millimeter, and you have to mark point B here. Okay, so B dash is the front view and B is the top view. So here the both the front view and top view will be below XY line. Why? Because the point B is in fourth quadrant. Okay, so this is called a fourth angle projection. This is called a fourth angle projection. Fourth angle projection. If the point is in first quadrant, then the front view will be above XY line and top view will be below XY line. That is called a first angle projection. If the point is in second quadrant, then both the front view and top view will be above XY line. That is called a second angle projection. If the point is in third quadrant, the front view will be below XY line and the top view will be above XY line. That is called a third angle projection. And if the point is in fourth quadrant, both the front view and top view will be below XY line. That is called a fourth angle projection. Okay, so draw this. Draw this. Draw first. You have to draw the XY line and then mark point B dash at a distance of 15 millimeter below XY line, and then extend the line. The distance is 35 millimeter and mark point B. B is the top view and B dash is the front view. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finished?
Sir, almost.
Yeah.
Sir, done.
Yeah, okay. Then write the next question, problem 10.4. Okay, so problem 10.4. Draw the projections of the following 2 points. Draw the projections of the following 2 points on common xy line, on a common xy line, keeping the distance between the projectors as 40 mm. Keeping the distance between the projectors as 40 mm. Okay, number one, point A is in VP. Point A is in the vertical plane. Point A is in the VP and 28 millimeter below HP. Point A is in VP and 28 millimeter below HP. Then second question, point B. Point B is in VP and 35 millimeter above HP. Okay. So point A is where? Point A is
In the VP.
in vertical plane, okay, and
28 mm below HP.
yeah, 28 mm below HP, 28 mm below horizontal plane. Okay, so I will draw the quadrant. Okay, so this is the horizontal plane, this is the horizontal plane, and this one is the vertical plane. And here point A is in VP. Okay, so this plane is called a vertical plane, and here the point A is in VP and 28 millimeter below HP, below horizontal plane. That means the point A is here. Okay, so this is the position of the point A. Point A is 28 millimeter. This distance is 28. This distance is 28. Okay, point A is 28 millimeter, 28 millimeter below HP and is in VP. So first I will draw the front view. So this is the front view direction. Okay. So the here front view is actually will be on the same point itself, the actual point itself. So okay. So this is the front view. This is the front view because the point A is in the vertical plane. Because point A is in the vertical plane, you will get the image of point A is in the vertical plane itself. So this is the front view. So A dash is the front view, and here the A dash will be 28 millimeter below XY line. Okay, so this point is A dash. This A dash, the front view will be 28 millimeter below XY line. 28 millimeter below XY line. Then next is, where is the top view? Okay, so when you look from this side, what happens? The projection of point A will be on the reference line. Okay, so the top view will be on the reference line. The top view of point A is on the reference line. So here the top view will be in the reference plane, reference line XY, and the front view is 28 millimeter below XY line. So draw this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the second question. Second question, point B. Point B is point B is in point B is in
Is in HP.
point B is in 1 minute. Point B is in HP or VP. Check the question. So I will share the question.
Sir.
Problem 10.42. Point B is in
It's in VP.
VP and
35 above HP.
above HP. Okay. So point B is in VP and 35 above HP. So point B is in VP and 35 above HP. 35 above HP. So first I will draw the quadrant. So this is the reference line, XY line, that is the intersection of horizontal plane and vertical plane. So this is the horizontal plane and this one is the vertical plane. So where is point B? Where is point B?
It's in the VP.
Is in VP and it is
35
35
above HP.
above HP. Okay, so point B is here. Okay, so point B is here. Point B is in the vertical plane and the distance, this distance. Okay, so this distance is 35. This distance is 35 millimeter above HP. So this is the front view direction. Where is the front view? Where is the front view?
It's on VP.
Yeah, it's on VP and the point B itself. Okay, so this point, this point itself is the front view. Okay, mark B dash here. B dash is the front view and the front view B dash is 35 millimeter above XY line. And where is the top view? Where is the top view? The image of B will be projected onto the HP and that is
XY line.
on the XY line, correct. Okay, so you have to mark B here. Okay, so our final answer is like this. Draw the XY line. First, you have to mark the front view. So draw the projector line and mark B dash. B dash is the front view. Front view is at a distance of 35 millimeter above HP. That means 35 millimeter above XY line. And the top view B. And the top view B is on the XY line. And the top view B on the XY line. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write a note. If a point is in VP, if a point is in VP, its top view, its top view. If a point is in VP, its top view, its top view will be in XY line. In XY line. So this is very, very important. If a point is in vertical plane, its top view will be in XY line. So here you can see the point B. Here the point B is in VP. So its top view will be in the XY line. Is this clear? This point?
Yes.
Okay. So this is very, very important. If a point is in VP, its top view will be in the XY line. Okay, next question. So here there is, in the question you can see, draw the projections of the following 2 points on a common reference line. Okay, so we have to draw the projection on a common reference line such that the distance between the projectors as 40 mm. That means this is the this is the projector 1. This line represents the projector line 1. Projector line 1. And this line represents projector line 2. Okay, so the distance between the projectors as 40 mm. Okay, so you have to take this distance as 40 mm. This distance as 40 mm, and then you have to draw the front view and top view of point A and B. You have to
Yes, sir.
redraw that. Yeah, you have to redraw that figure again. You have to redraw. First, you have to draw the XY line. You have to draw the XY line and then mark 2 points on the XY line such that the distance between these 2 points as 40 mm. Okay. Then you have to draw the front view and top view of point A and B. First, you have to draw the front view and the top view of point A. Here, the point A is in VP, so its top view A. Here, its top view A is in the XY line, and the front view A dash will be 28 millimeter below XY line. So this distance is 28, 2.8. Okay. So when you draw, you have to take 2.8 centimeter. Then the second point B, mark point B here. B represents the top view of point B, and the front view B dash. Here the point B is 35 millimeter above HP. That means the front view is B dash is 35 millimeter above HP. This distance is 35, 3.5 centimeter, 35 millimeter. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next question. Write the question number 10.5. Draw the projections of draw the projections of the following points on a common reference line. First, number 1. Point P is in HP. Point P is in HP and 35 mm in front of VP. Point P is in HP and 35 mm in front of VP. Then, second question. Point Q in HP and 35 mm behind VP. Point Q in HP and 35 mm behind